Hey guys, this is Vic from Falcon. We're going to show you how to install a nut hydraulic brake kit, right? Both the front and back side onto a brand new 010 that's been unmodified. This is straight out of the box, and we're going to show you how easy it is to put it on. Right, so first we start off by removing the brake caliper. Okay, so this is the rear caliper. The rear caliper is about 1.8 meters long in terms of the hose length. So you can tell the difference which one's the back, which one's the front. The front is only about 1.3 meters long. Right, so this is pre-bled. Pre-bled. You simply just fit it on. Keeping the original red color mount, right, from the mechanical brake rotor. Okay, so we add some spacers to prop up this nut brake. The spacers are part of the original brake kit, so you don't have to find your own spacers. Okay, next, once we have installed the screw on one side, fit on the rest of the spacers on the other side.
OK 啦，小事而已，这种没制作 custom build 的。
Okay, there you go. Now, you don't have to shave anything here, right? It's just a simple fit on. Once you fit on the caliper, right, for this brake hose, right, just we won't show it right now because you have shown it in the previous video. Just remove the original brake hose and then thread this hydraulic brake hose through the same space as the mechanical brake hose. Okay, now we'll take a look at the front. Right? So we'll take off the brake caliper on the front. Just unscrew the two screws on the sides. Okay, so to fit the front brake caliper, right, use the mount that came with the nut brake, right, and then let's put one spacer each on both sides. Do here, I cannot see. You're blocking everything, all your hand blocking.
Oh, sorry.
Okay. right? Remove the stock mount. Remember on the rear side, right? We use the original mount because it fits. But for this, we got to use. It's better to use the nut mount, right? Okay, it's gonna be a tight fit, especially on this end, right? So you may want to file it off. Just shave a few, 1 or 2 mm off, right? Just using a round file, right? So we won't file it this time, okay? But without filing, it will be a very tight fit. So yeah, you hear the rubbing sound of the new brake pads against the brake disc, but that's normal for new brakes, right? But there you go, right? It fits now, but like I said, right? For this, you can see that we'll have to shave a little bit of the space here, just because of this screw that's pressing against the front fender, right? So just shave, use a round file, just file a little bit so that it doesn't press against this front fender. But in this case, it fits, right? So that's how you install it. The brake hose, right? Just follow the original brake line and thread it through the stem. That's it. Thank you.